I beg Nigerians, I want to ask a question. The one that live in abroad. Wetin make Albert with your wife no dey work for UK? Abi UK no get work? No work for abroad. UK people, I beg, no work for abroad. Wetin make Albert with your wife no dey work for UK? Because I know say this time around, 100 million naira one Obazee give her, but don't they finish small, you understand? Why are they not working? Because this guy is trying all his best to make sure, say, I swim with that the money will continue when they give her every month. They pay her so many things. Why Albert with your wife no dey work for UK? And the funniest part, most of the Edo people that work in UK, in Canada, other country, when they send Albert super chat after all your sweat, 5 hours, 8 hours. Money miss road really. They're full abroad. Money really miss road. I will give them 100 this thing there, I beg. That my 100 in that place. Yeah. Understand? Why is this guy not working in UK? Leave Albert alone. I will not leave Albert. He said we go fight for 8 years. I get 1 year to fight Albert. Good one complete 1 year. No the reason. See my phone here. See my phone here. See my phone here. See my phone here. For sure. Yeah. I get 1 year to fight. I'm not stopping. As he be say you know how to curse my mama, you curse my mama, you curse my papa. I go tell you how illiterate take the package. Why Albert no dey work for UK? The first time this guy shop semo, he come fat, he come buy machine, he work out. No say people for abroad they be hard working people and they live for abroad. Hard working people they live for abroad. Because of laziness, this guy begin to fat for us. He come buy bicycle, exercise. He dey fat for us. Why Albert is not working in UK? I be no job for UK because I don't see most of my good people waiting for that place. They be hard working people. They go like 8 hours, 10 hours, work very hard for their money. After that, want to come relax, understand, take care of themselves. But Albert is not working because of Edo revenue. We can't be continue like this. But I'm like, why are you talking about Albert in Benin City? Are you from Edo State? Yes, my mom is from Edo State. And beside that, just like the way Very Dark Man talk about Abuja every time. Very Dark Man is from Abuja. No, he lived there. He was born there and brought up there. Me, I was born and brought up in Edo State. I get about time for good 1 year. I go jump Obazee for good 1 year. You know the reason why? The man failed. Albert must be a better person. I'm not trying to bring Albert down. As I stop the fake CEO phone you do now, I don't stop him. I mean, open the eyes of Edo. Say, these guys are frauding you people. If you give him money, go and collect the money back. He's frauding you people for fake CFO, selling fake land. I think you start saying and say, he go say every time, insecurity, na lie. Albert is paying bus driver. He go pay bus driver like 2 or 3 people. The bus driver no give pay tickets. You cost wahala. Why one for someone to do the video? They'll say, you see APC, this. I got nothing to lose. I don't be APC, I be PDP. You are a political person, you go lose. Since the thing you cost my mama, that day you lose value and respect for your idea. Alright now, I send you message. I don't really send you for you. You hear me so? That day you lose value and respect. You say you come for me with your kidnapper and everything. I'm still waiting for your kidnapper and your toss. Me so it's already been planned. You say you won't, say you go buy myself. I'm waiting for your people. You must work in UK. As UK big rich, non-lazy Edo man in UK. Everybody focus. You can't be living in abroad. We go live for Nigeria here. You go they give fake lies, fake rumors for your personal interests. They eat Edo revenue. You must work. You must work. You must work. You must work. So, for now when they ask Brodamike say why you dey fight Albert, you no go stop. I'm not stopping now. Forget about it. You understand? I'm not stopping. Forget about it. He said that 8 years we go fight. I go fight for only 1 year. Me so I'm not stopping. He cost my mama. He cost my papa. He means so, but I will never insult his parents. I will never try it. The reason why I know the level and the quality of a mother. You mean so? But I go use any trade packaging for Abat. So he must be a better person. Now I don't finally stop the fake CEO phone. Now you don't stop and I say, hey, they lie, say this thing. They lie. I stop it. I stop him on way. You see, and again, if you be a dumb man, most especially if you be a shaman, you are still listening to Herbert. You need to go for checkup. You need to go and check your mental health if you correct. Because Herbert is a politician. He will do everything possible to make sure, say, he protects a party that is paying him. You see, now so about Robbie John Osagi online. He Robbie John Osagi. He called on this one in the way side. Eh? No, I don't watch it. I don't watch it for Danny. I say Robbie John Osagi. He do him. John Osagi up to today. That young man better pass about. He better pass about. The guy they fly, they come. They flew, they come. They go abroad, they come. He gets so many businesses where they control by himself. Abba try to bring that boy down. I say he do colleagues, he try, he do one. Now, if you want to do destiny, Ebagua, you want to do destiny, see, you see, and the man wife is very good of singing, he sing good music, he goes good, he sing good song. You see, he say visa, the guy do fake visa, he do this one, and so many things. Abba plan everything with the people. If Abad get your time, he will plan you. And at the end, so what you want to plan me? But that might be the truth. You give get belly, you don't do marriage. What next? You can't bring me down. You don't cheer now. But that might be the truth. Yes, I be proud initiate. Now be proud initiate that wants the betterment of Edo State, my mother's land. Now be very, very proud one for that matter. You can't bring me down. I don't big pass you already. Even Pella, when we say they speak anyhow, he big pass you. We'll let you know, saying it's not all about school. It's all about your sense, how you think and how you reason. And some people more than not say about our enemy. If they first say, why this governor they give una people appointments. No, basically they go as governor, they give Lagos people work Lagos. If they give people for Lagos work, as I'm speaking to you right now, Ekpoma, work is going on right now in Ekpoma. Call your parents, call your dad. Right now, Uromi Road, they are doing it. All the federal roads, they are doing it. Obaseki is the only governor who will be say, come and fight for Saple Road. He moved to seek for Saple Road. It's a shame. See, I've been cheat. See, tell me one particular office in Nigeria will be able to get visa. They easy to get visa. Tell me. You are living in a country will be say anybody if you do anything. You hear me so? Tell me one particular office in Nigeria. If he needs to do visa, according to Albert, if no be government power, if you say Albert for Feta UK. If no theater UK, he pack where do revenue, do fake CEO for give people. As it be no. If I give you fake CEO for you go, you know, I want to know. You say see government signature. Nah lie. About know everything he's doing. Thank God, say God don't use me to stop that business. Now you go cry with that big cry. You must be. You see, my plan is not to bring you down. My plan is for me to make you a better person. Show that you go work. Know yourself. Be a responsible person. Be a responsible father to your children. That's my plan. You must be a nice person. I say you fight Akobe. Akobe now free show this song. Up till now, Akobe is doing way more than you. Akobe is doing way more than you. 100%. The good Benin that love Akobe. See they show and love. You show and love. From there again, you enter ladies of song. They bully the woman. People that have career, that possess their career, sing music. Oh, massive Baba. Oh, everybody man. People that see the people who are bad fight, all of them get career. Even me get career. How bad show us your career? I don't get to. Career I don't get. You say I give you my belly. The Chris, I've been your man before. I've told you my belly before. May I put the work? Yeah, put up my keyboard. I don't see my keyboard. Don't use my keyboard. Why do I no work? Eh? Ha! I be sure I don't come my keyboard for me. Ladies of song, as that woman sing music, play about the fact on. What I want to watch on? Did that place? Okay. Oh! I watch my hand, I beg. Before I sing music for about head again, show me one particular person where about the fact you don't get talent. Show me the person. Now when the guys about my create now stuff like, you see, you're costing me for nothing. If your course they work, make your course give you GLE. If course really there for your man, stop say I need you work, come your course give you. I know they care time for your course. Hear me so ladies of song, as that woman sing rich, about won't try to rubbish the woman. He said visa fraud. About visa easy for this country. Let me do for Nigeria. About visa easy for this country. Now me myself Brodamike, then Nigeria, will be say your governor destroy the country. I've never run. You feel say I born fit everybody. You are trying to destroy destiny name the way you want to rubbish to no say God. To say God pass you about abi. Hey, how about I must stop you for blinking your Edo borders down. Now me go to one. No. Another key. You must see. You must be a better person. No? You go they follow who no get something to lose the fight. Yeah, you go they follow stack initiate the fight. you go they follow no go school the fight. I will rubbish you. And I will expose you. Now, I don't get all your fraudulent receipt, everything, don't they? All the, you see, if Abba don't fraud you before, do it and send me the invoice, the receipt, everything. I don't get all of them. You have been giving, you see, if you follow Abba, do see your phone, you don't waste your time. You are a waste of time. You cost my mama. Turn this family like go start Sabina, turn for a beg. The feet. The feet are big. I be madman. When I go up. My friend worship God first. You are worthy, Lord. You are worthy, Lord. You are worthy, Lord. See talent. Worthy to be praised. You are worthy, Lord. Hey, you are worthy, Lord. See talent. You are worthy, Lord. Yeah. Worthy to be praised. About Obazee, About Obazee, The way Bini be, are you proud of your father's land? Obazee. Wait till you go gain for blinking your Edo brothers. You want to blink them down to spread their business. Hey, Obazee. Ladies of song, she walk. The woman work very hard. Oh, hi. Oh, 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 oh. Benin is one of the tiers states. Benin married for 8 years old. No. Hey, Abat. They go do one to you. You want to bring destiny name down. Say do visa. I say visa easy. Now I take you for inside Obazee 8 years. After you don't say Obazee won't go finish. Now you japa, you pack away do revenue, you travel go. Travel go. See the way it do be. If you are part of your state that you go this thing. See, I chop black soup. Better black soup. I chop better black soup. Idiot. Any Edo man listen to Abba, believe in Abba. You need to go for check-up. Go for check-up. See, you tell us now say John Sage bado, Destiny bado, Akobe bado, but I make na any truth. Ebo Stone, Tony Kabaka, tell us the good way they don't do. Everybody don't do bad. Which good you don't do about tell us. Rather than be supporting failed governor. We no fit do road, no fit build school, no fit give us light. Governor carry light come GRA. Now let me get the light. Is that not wickedness? Labour Party for this for Abba. The man take over power. The period of 1 month. He give the light. Period of 1 year, bro, give the light. Period of 1 year, give the light. If I'm not making mistaken. Give the light. See the way Enugu state governor they work. It's working. Anambra state governor, Anambra state they work. All they are working. The governor ruled for 8 years. We don't know a village. I beg, first of all, where Obazee come from? Where I come from? Because I didn't say he come for Côte d'Ivoire. Yes, now. Everybody, now, so when John Sage wife leave John Sage, this boy come on the more. Who be this guy, Seth? Are you this perfect? You will not the bath. See, don't people una see I dey vex for now sometimes. So if you know the good impact on the play for about life, now because of me about go shave. Now because of me about go shave. See, for the past years, you can never shave before, baby, full everywhere. As I talk to him, give him advice, say about you must be a better person. You can't go shave you, baby. Now I call you bully me. Am I not trying? Am I not trying? Only me want cry for this road, that period. No, me I don't cry for. Am I not trying? How about the shave before? See the way they cause some people online. Say when they give some work. Some people, or let's say you be mumu Esan man, you will support about. Every wise Esan man need to support. No need to listen to Abat or support Abat. What about the rubbish online yesterday? Have you not watched the video? He said, yeah, but rubbish online yesterday. And now, Esan man turn now, you go cry better big cry. When Obazee they war that time, they give they work for Lagos. Lagos, then they give the work. You know, help any Benin man. Show me one Benin man where Obazee help. No of them invest for Benin. I will say people who Obazee help, all of them invest for Benin. Contract on Lagos, light in Lagos, street light Lagos, everything Lagos. I will say they invest for Benin for fine, not for free do road. Because you know investment for Benin, all of the time only go Lagos. Go the bars for Lagos. Where governor now for Benin? You don't want to go Lagos. Lagos man. Lagos man. See Esan land. If Benin be like this, what about Esan land? What about Esan land? Up to today, that see President Shomole say he work for Awoshi. Shomole come for Awoshi. Go ask, go grab the Shomole vicinity, village, go that place. Up to today, Oshomole that time in Rediawa. In Tayam. Chomole. ESCC, I don't understand you now. God don't know if you all go finish comment the wrong go Lagos. When I go find out, every time. And again, Tony Kabaka, Eboston, how about when they give bus driver money? Say, if they ask of ticket, when I no pay, when I cost wahala, there go be two. One go decide more to the video as the wahala bust. You see, they are now paying bus driver to cost wahala. But how about no matter how you try? If any bus driver no pay tickets, we gonna get them arrested. Every country they pay tickets. Every country, every state they pay tickets. For abroad, before you park your car for anybody, you go pay tickets. If anybody no go see about the one, no. You go but don't say if they ask you money for ticket, you no pay, so that you cost wahala. You may say I don't get money. You after supposed to get the second camera the video say this government is bad though. One no say our bank is fully ready to make sure say that una lose una job. This is the reason why now is attacking the Zimbabwe. Yeah. After that one, you enter your wife. With the attack woman, we get talent. How about which talents do your wife have that be selling clothes on TikTok when they see? 10 euro, 5 euro. Eh? Which talent she gets? Which talent she get? See, if I don't talk about Japan, I know reason I'm about cost mama. But me, no. I never post a way I picture online. I never post them. You see, you don't post my way I picture, do so many things. You mean so? I never post a way I picture. You mean so? So if you are following madman to do something, you don't say man can used to lose. You don't even go time ahead. Yeah? I think someone video they say when they say you go out for hotel when they carry pints. I never know that one. If you let me analyze that video, but now I never want to carry picture now. You mean so? Until you push me more and more, if I be carry picture. You see this one say, "Oga, shut up." I go shut up now. You be PDP now. Now PDP you be now. Una don't lose. We lucky the rule Benin before Ochomole come. Benin was disaster. Ochomole come. Ochomole, see man. I will soon face you very soon. Ochomole, don't be joke. I will soon face you very soon. If I say tag Ochomole on this video, tag Ochomole on this video right now. Ochomole need to come outside and beg those people for giving them Obazee that destroy those states. Ochomole need to come beg those state people where I give them Obazee go destroy those states. I don't understand, show. You go carry person who know how to do road company. Do it without gutter. Ochomole, I'm giving 24 hours to come and beg those people. Are we not human? Are we goats? Rain 4 yesterday. My base now. About 5 years ago, they defeated the giant base for Benin. But now, go buy base now. They don't burn you. Go buy base. Go buy base for Benin now. Go buy base. You go cry. Everywhere for Benin pothole. That day for Sapler Road. Don't say, Albert, I help you. He pay me. Albert, I help you. Albert. Albert, I help you. He pay me well. I help Albert too. I don't say help on the help Albert. They say the help. Say I'm using the help to even destroy those states. Safe. I help Albert too. Now because of pothole for Benin, 9 single month that with 3 people died that day for Sapler Road. They won't touch pothole. I caught chain for that video. I post her. As I want post part 2, Albert call me, they beg me. Albert, help you. I had your shame, oh, because of friendship. I had your shame. I had your shame. People die for bad road because of Abat. I had your shame, oh, Abat. Supposed to be ashamed of yourself by now. Ha! See, just imagine. Now, I'm chopping Ishaki. I'm chopping Ishaki right now, Abat. You see, as I chop this Ishaki right now, Abat, I chop it like that. Abat will cry for 8 years. You know what? Don't start about the deceiver to people. Abat no say, I swear not to go anywhere. But he need I swear money. Eh? He know already. He got off for life to say, but I will go fight for 8 years. Abat, how can your party be ruling? Eh? You will still be fighting me. He don't see us say they don't lose already. They don't. But the people never get a time. You might not go back like 1,000 back. You share, you go help mama, roam me everywhere for security, vigilante. Today the man destroy house yesterday. He destroy house of kidnapper. If you are a cultist and anything at all, they will destroy your house for Benin. He say, I will fight you for 8 years. And the funniest part, he go say, that Igbo boy, they cost me. Me, they cost you about. Me, 40 years old man, they cost you. But you are because this in Ebagua. You are because you don't say I get about. You they cost mama, cost my papa. Say they cost you about. So about you cost mama, cost my papa, go leave you about. Who are you? You also say you dey UK. About. Am I not a human? Am I no human being? Am I a ghost? About Obazee. We go use any trade package to follow you. Abat won't cry. You know, it's a painful thing. I don't say when they give 100 million naira about the last 2 months for election, it tells me say America only 100 million naira they give them. You hear me? So it's say give 100 million naira with the support to say I swear no easy. No, they say I swear now. That figure there. Oh God, how about I know your secret well. How about destroy those states? Now, if they wonder how me they know now, say if they give budget about money, they go set camera and they will talk say, Mona see I don't say to see I go full everywhere. So what they do now? How bad? This is what they know. How bad? I get it for ma. I get it for ma. I be just lover. I be just evidence. You get evidence. I get evidence of everything. I say if I'm lying, say Abba is not giving budget money to be doing this. Carry me to go court. And any bus driver I go about give money, if you cause wahala, they will get you arrested. You can't be working without paying tax. Who does that in the country? Even MTN now, even our data, don't increase that data. They will get you arrested. How about you pay budget and money? If all those guys say, 12 go ticket to, they help boss fight once. Now my informant give me the information, say, but I can't that no. But I cannot betray you. See, I shock. My priest stand for good 2 hours. My priest stand. A phone for information. How about if they endorse money, they give budget and say, cost wahala. So that when they say, Boston Agberu, cost wahala. All those don't even know before. They never even know before saying that happen. As they leak the secret, now they don't arrest two bus driver. If you make pay no pay, they will get you arrested. So they take money for Abatan. They take money for Abatan. But they chop each other. Chop okay. Starfish there for you. Illiterate is chop starfish. Ishaki. See pomo atozu. Illiterate stack illiterate the chopper. They play. So, he get one useless boy wey say dey for Lagos. The guy give the Ebagua visa to do. That was last 2 years. The visa not come outside. Last 2 years. The visa not just come outside right now. The visa not come outside now. And the same boy don't tell about carry the information for them that say the guy chopping money. Now the visa is out. You see, so I beg a pardon, I beg, because of your good name for those states here, give them. So sometimes some people, if God will create them, no green help them. So if God uses to help them, celebrate them. So just be a good person. Even me myself, I would say visa easy. I for not leave this country, go US, go Canada. And Nigeria na place. So we say if let you talk, they go the 30 person. If not, they don't attend day for this Benin. How bad boys don't attack me? They plenty oh oh my God! My mother's land, don't go out the grace. But you know I don't know the grace. God punish you. Oh my God! Every year the way he bought that carriage, just say this one, everything have be already petition and eyewitness don't do already. Everything don't do organ, everywhere good. Do you want to say everywhere good? Shall on. Do you want to hear? But I'm like here, everywhere good. He play, God punish you. I know you're ready now. Very desperate person. You think by me now? I know now. Who did they pay? Who did they pay? He has straight every month. The reason why Albert is still coughing is because of say they never caught tribunal case finish. When they say Obazee will lose, he wins go break down for good 4 years. He must walk. Go break down. Greater fabrical work for abroad. He go do, if you do 8 hours work, he go lean. He go lean for 8 hours. He go lean finish. God punish you. For UK for more than 2 years, no one work. They used to do revenue. Money you used to do school. They give you ass, but they cover the media. It never say about post bad road, both bad school, and don't get light. See, I hear a generator on the blow. We are begging this governor now. Say, I beg, come help us. Me don't say go take the governor time because he obviously destroyed those states. He destroyed those states. We are begging. Destroy those states. You talk too much, but I might be careful. Also, Mumu. I resemble mosquito for your eye. God punish you. If not fear, video, if not the way I get today. Now fear now make una they don't leave Nigeria now they go UK, they go abroad, go everywhere. Nigeria no good, everybody want talk come outside. Everybody keep quiet. Una there for abroad, they beat us for Nigeria, but no road to go in the house. Are you proud of it? About love don't about government they do when I don't go UK. We got punish and there. Grace. Any church one shop mama. Hey. This one say before you are with them. Oga. I do have that for them on my page. They use my page to come live video. I'm saying they with them. Are they Chris? Not for free. They with them. Are they mad? No, I know. I hear you. Now my page for live video. Live video. Now make don't do it stage. See Nigeria be now. Nobody is versing Nigeria. See where Nigeria be. Tinubu go punish us with fuel. Punish us with everything. Nobody see anything. Brodamike, here no be your state. But VDM dey for Abuja they do a road for Abuja. Wike do road, this one will do road. I'm in Nigeria. I have every right to speak at everything. And very soon I will rule all of you as president in this country. I will rule you. I don't understand. Don't do it again. Give us a light. No. Reduce things price. No. Give us road. No. Even as it is now, the same government school will see me they do remove do zinc for government school. You carry your picking go government school. If they drag us in now say destiny they do fake visa, they do fake visa. Now so visa is never for Nigeria here. You know what visa they had. All those who go there for abroad, desperate people. You can't go abroad. I don't get patient. Person can't commit me today now. Can't commit me now. For good 2 years, he give it the Zimbabwe visa to do for good 2 years. Now the visa now. He come on there they cause the guy. Say the guy eating money. If they give people money, say the guy eating money. Now the visa is out. The man just tired. I don't know what to do again. Now if visa is out now, what you go do? Now they beg the man to give him the visa now. But you know, don't rubbish the man name. And again, if you give destiny work, you go meet him. You go meet that useless man when they work, jobless man for UK. Do anything. If your visa come outside, you go here and win. Don't worry. Visa game in Nigeria. I know the reason why. Because of the poverty level and the high rate of poverty now in Nigeria. They even hardly approve visa now for Nigeria. So some people able go Ghana, go have the coast, go different place, go do visa. Because of say everywhere no good for Nigeria. People are running. Go Nigeria embassy, it be like we say. How about the use my for being here? I don't know. How about just imagine now. A man enter power. If they give some people work, how about they complain? No be they give some man contracts to do contracts, do street lights, do road, do everything. No be there Asa will take fine. If you be Asa man, they give you contract now. You know build house for your, you know build company for your state, As Benin man move for 8 years, no Benin man fit get company for Benin. There's a chop price belongs to white people. Chop price na white man company be. No be governor, no be government property. Even chop price even wrong now. They see no light. They want wrong for Benin no light. Me and Albert fight no politics fight. One another one. No. I find a personal fight. He cost my mama, cost my papa. He call me illiterate. Yeah, the bringing people. He's saying go bring me down. Don't take the brothers down. So now it's time for me to strike back. I don't first stop the CEO of full business. I stop him. I go government house. They cancel and they strike him. He give about red flag like this. Boy. If they will see his staff, they go arrest his staff for that place doing fake CEO of full. No my level. Next they call them online and say, no, I don't see your food again. No, stop it. Where? Stop and walk now. Omila. Divine. Go for time, I don't fool now. Divine, leave the door. Yes, they come. You know you say don't fool. Huh? What I go for now?
I'm not fasting.
Okay, don't fool. All right. No, on that is the other that is. There's one part on that one. No, that Swiss. Yeah. Hold on. That first. You deceive Edo people. Obazee they rule that period. And they come on, I don't sing for, but I don't sing for you though. I say you bully Akobe, drag Akobe, rubbish the man online. You drag Akobe, if you say they they drag, they mad. Now you dive rock. Until you come online to come beg me, say, make a beg, forgive me. For insulting my mother. Because very soon I bring they post all your receipts of fake C of what they do. I bring post all of them. Very soon. You must beg, you must be a better person. You must work in UK. UK is for work people, right? You must work, you do show fail. Because the destiny back when they do show, let's when they do show fail. Do they sing? If they sing back, can go do show for UK. All those artists, if artists will call you that UK, if you never pay themselves, they'll be guys, they'll use pay money to cover them. The only reason why because in India for the business. Are you they sing to baff na problem? Maybe the man go work very hard. Go work hard. Can they give you super sharp government they pay money before? Abi? Now you wise past. Maybe the man go do 8 hours work very hard. Can give you super shots. Maybe the man go work very hard. Sweat 8 hours, 10 hours work. Can give you super sharp. You know they work when stay as money tonight. Now you wise pass Abi. No worry, you go cry big cry. Don't worry. Wait up. I go wash my hand. Mama go sing for your head. How about say maybe Nima go work very hard or give him super sharp. That next music now. Maybe Nima go work very hard. 8 hours work, 10 hours work. Come give you when they stay as Abi. Siam, guys here, if you want to give this Ebagua work, give him work. But you have to be patient. Patient. If visa easy to get, but that Mike cannot stay as here. Money is not the problem. Everywhere good. Oh, D1, I like that word. D1, yeah, everywhere good. You say D1 shalom. D1 shalom. Everywhere good. Let me so. If visa easy, I've not there for this country again. They play. How about say maybe the man go work very hard. Come give a super chat when they stay us. Let me do the track before I go off. Hey, how about he say maybe the man go work 8 hours, 10 hours oh. Maybe you can't give him super shots. How about it? Obazee. Oh, why you? You must be a better person, oh. No be you. Get go there. Make them go work 8 hours work. Make them go work 10 hours work. Oh, Come give you super chat for your mumu. For your mumu. Abat, go and walk, oh, go and walk, oh. UK made for responsible people, not a lazy youth, not a lazy youth. Now because of you, Edo dirty, you get big media, you know if you promote the evil. Hey, how about you? Obazee. Now big cry, you go cry. You say you go fight me for 8 years old. Only 1 year, now get your time, oh. Hey, Obazee, life is no easy, oh. You must be a man. How about you? Go and walk. How about you? All the Beanie men in UK, all the Beanie men all over the country, they work very hard for their money, oh. You can't be staying as Obazee. You don't feel they stay as. See, get go high. Understand? You must be a better person. But I'm like here, everywhere good. Well, I'm like everywhere good. You understand? Don't really make any sense. See where I don't be now. If you from Abuja they come, enter Edo State, you go surprise, it go shock you. If for Warri they come, enter Edo, it go shock you. From Agbo they come, enter Edo, it go shock you. If from Lagos they come, enter Edo, it go shock you. What till we do now? How bad what till we do now? The way Edo be, so UK be. People of Aba, they are very, very proud of Aba now. They say the governor can give all of the lights. They are enjoying light right now in Aba. Which legacy Obazee can leave for those states? Just one legacy. Just one. Just one legacy. Just one who the man leave. Tell us. Even ring road, they for they enjoy ring road. It turned out to dustbin. Oba market spoil because of say the name. Enter Oba market. But say Oba, that name, they, you know, do one, but he leave power. He leave the market like that for more than years when the market is born. Center of Benin market is born. Governor no do one. Boy, how bad. You are ashamed to Edo State. Oh, glory must be to the Lord, for He is worthy of our praise. No man on earth should give glory to himself. All the glory must be to the Lord. We get a little. Oh, glory must be to the Lord, for He is worthy of our praise. No man on earth should give glory to himself. All the glory must be to the Lord. Even he say, we don't want the rant again on social media. We don't want the talk. We can be using this our keyboard to the chopping money. We get God bless us. God settle down. Let me today, if I look like a Pella, I will laugh. Assistant. People call that literally that time was saying, you see fella life. It's like a prayer point. He meet governor. We said that me go meet governor yesterday. Now that have a fella say governor say don't give a ask for assembly money. He call like say governor there Abuja. Governor David, this is 3 days. He lie give people. Some people believe him. See, if you see they listen to how bad they believe him, I beg because of God. Go check your memory if you correct. Go check. Because sometimes if I don't drink, say I want fornicate. I'm gonna go about page. I'm gonna watch her. They watch her bad to knock go don't give me. How bad page is the page where we say if you commit sin, you go that place. Look at that memory when they come Nigeria that period, let me say, it take carry woman, they carry a shower. He won't use woman set me up. Carry woman and give me, you won't set me up with woman. I don't understand. Only for UK will tell me say about those states. I live here. I live in Benin here. I see everything that happened. The risk, everything, we say it. We see everything. You see, I beg, I don't matter. Most especially some people. And I appreciate this governor now. This governor is one of the wisest governors I've ever seen in my life. Don't the reason why. They give people work. This governor they do. You give 5 Benin work, 5 Esan work, 5 Benin work, 5 Awishi work. Yes, they do a round part. You mean so the reason why? If you give you contracts from that place, you can be investing in your place, in your village. Just like the way they invest now from my place.